Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix all Snapchat error codes. If you're using any iPhone and you are having any problem in your Snapchat app that you cannot access your Snapchat or you're unable to open your Snapchat app, so let's see how can you fix all that errors. First of all, you have to make sure that your Snapchat has the latest version, so you have to go for App Store and from here go for search and you have to simply search for Snapchat. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that there is no any update available of your Snapchat. If there is, if you have any update, so you must have to install that update, and after that you can easily use your Snapchat app. But if your Snapchat app is still not working after your app updates, so you must have to try up to your system updates. So sometimes it might be that your system is not install the specific updates, and it may be there is any pending update in your system, so it will make issue that it cannot run the apps specifically. So you must have to make sure that your system is up to date like that. So once you have checked, if you're still having the same issue, so what you have to do, you have to make a force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to simply press in the whole quickly press in the whole, release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. So quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for that. Once your screen goes black, you have to wait for Apple logo, and when you get Apple logo on your screen, you have to release the button and wait for your phone restarting. Once your phone has been restarted, so you would not get any issue on any Snapchat error code. So that's how you can easily fix all Snapchat error codes in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.